what's up? It's me, John. I gotta find Dan. Let's go out. I think he's sleeping. He might be sleeping. Let's go check. Dan? Oh, yeah, he doesn't sleep down. Right. Maybe he's in... Huh? What was that? It's Dan, the man.
What's up, Mom? What's up? Your ball! Your ball, boy!
Hey, Alex. You want crazy, right?
What's up? Everybody, your bubble! Your bubble! Dan!
The Ghostbuster.
Dan the Ghostbuster.
So, well, sorry.
Cowboy. John the Cowboy.
No.
And John.
Well, I'm sorry, Dan. This isn't on your YouTube channel. It's mine.
Wow.
So I'm taking this over.
So,
Even though we're going to let you say everything. So, is this a room tour?
yes, this is my room tour.
Not ice.
So
You might have seen his room in the last video on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Where I did a room tour of my room. Now, Dan wants to do a room tour. But is it of my room? Nope, it's my room. So I'm going to be helping him out. And the only reason I'm helping him out is because I got the phone and I'm making the video. And it's going to go on my YouTube channel. Even though Dan's the boss of this,
So,
right?
first up, we're going to show you my Funko Pop.
Ooh, Funko Pops.
So we have Phoebe,
Nice, Phoebe.
Blue, a regular raptor, and Rexy. Ordered one more behind here. And
Gizmo.
Little
You
Gizmo.
got a robot puppy.
And next up, we have my Raptor Blue mask.
How about
and
you
my
show
Raptor
him that
claw.
on?
So,
Dan's got to get that on. It's going to be a surprise. Keep your claws on. Okay, claw. Ta-da! Take it off, Dan. And you're going to... There's his TV, your dresser.
next up, I'm going to show you some of my stuffies.
How about you show him this first?
First up, we have the Ink Demon from Bendy and the Ink Machine.
Well, that's mine.
Yeah.
I just give him it.
Well,
He takes anything I want.
He pops out. He pops out when you want at the boulder up door to the ink in the ink machine. Next up, we have a little tiny puppy.
Ain't tiny, that's big.
We have a dog. It's big.
What about this guy?
Oh, we have Scooby Doo. Next up, we have a stuffed animal, but this one's actually
Talking one.
It's a singer one.
Finger.
It's a talking one. It's little Gizzy. When you pull this tab, he's supposed to sing. He's supposed to do this, and well, I was it, but now he doesn't. Watch. So you just have to do this.
You're doing it. Then do that. Then you got that puppy, that puppy, that puppy.
Next up,
That's my FGTV day. Then another puppy right there.
Next up, I'm
Blue.
going to show you something really cool. It's a Ghostbuster. It's Spangler.
I think they've seen that.
Well, his real name is actually. Well,
Yeah, he's all kinds of.
we got a Star-Lord thing.
It's not heavy.
I know. Well,
Open it.
So,
Open it, Dan.
then fold the wings. Put it down here. And
Open it. Can you?
look at all of it. We have a little booby trap. You put your finger and then someone will fall. We have a place to store things. And,
Store stuff? Let's see it. Doesn't go that far though.
and we got this little spinner.
Spinner, you know that stuff.
It's full. And we got a little thing. If you put a car in, you can put your cars in there, and then they can slide down in there. Watch. So, see, I have a Hot Wheel. I put it in, and then press the button. That's it. It goes flying off. All the way over there. Next up, we actually have something a little bigger for Jurassic World. Right. It's a legacy collection. It's Jackie. Well, I actually named her
He
Fred.
doesn't even. He didn't even call it Rexy. What do you call it?
T-Rex.
Yeah, I call it Rexy because it Rex.
I call this one Fred.
Yeah,
That's
Fred.
it. That's
the
what.
bed.
That's what. That's what.
Hey, Fred bed.
That's what. And in Squirrel Centipede. That's what Dan's name it. Next up, we got someone from Goodwill.
He has all kinds of stuff that nobody even knows what it is.
So,
Like this, that.
this is from Spider-Man. This is from Spider-Man.
Who's Heidi, man?
Heidi, man. So if you press this thing down.
What's up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up?
So, there's one more thing I'm going to show you really quick.
It's evil.
It's another one.
It's evil. It's evil.
It's rice dance.
Who here? Who, huh?
Rice dance. We take them out of this.
What about this stuff? You haven't shown them like half your room.
So,
Room's
this is
untouched.
we store the Lego mansion.
Half of them are mine.
Yeah, some of them are mine. And one of them is Sophie's, but she gave it to you. I have my lunchbox with nothing.
Can I have some food?
I got, this is from Easter. And,
Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah, it is.
and
I got that. I got you that.
why did you have me Lord of the Rings? I don't even like the Lord of the Rings.
Dude, you wanted to watch the movie.
So you just got me at the Lego mansion.
Yeah, I got that at JB Toys.
I don't know what this character's called.
Read it.
I don't know what you
Because you didn't read it.
Not the character, but this one's Owen.
Doan the Bowen.
A chicken,
Owen the Bowen.
yeah, a chicken.
So is that it for your video?
Yes.
It's 6 minutes.
Yes.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Peace out. Blah, blah, blah.
Bye. This is my channel, so this is what we do on my. What do we do on my channel? And I'm gonna show you what we do, right, Dan?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you. We do. I'll see you next time.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time. See you next.
Peace. And next time, watch my video about me, about John putting this in my face.
There is no videos in this video. Stop! I mean, peace out.
Yeah, peace out. I have a peace out.